Hello, this is a discrimination test with a new 9-inch concentric coil which is set to work at 24 kilohertz. Now this search coil is been specifically designed to find small hammered silver coins in between heavy iron contamination. So I already have the ground balance of the coil set, and I'm going to turn the iron rejection on and reject all of this iron in the bag. So it's rejected. Let's see what we can find from our hammered coins. These are all various relatively large iron pieces that are commonly found in arable land, forest, everywhere, especially on ancient sites. So, first test that I'm going to conduct is the Edward III hammered penny, not in between iron, but entirely covered by iron. So I'm just going to place all of this iron down on the ground, but let's see first if there isn't any target here. There is nothing. Then I'm going to place these iron pieces in a way that they're going to form just like a small iron blanket on the ground that will cover the coin completely, and see if we can actually pick it up behind these iron pieces. So I'm trying not to leave any gap between the irons to get them as close as possible. And now I'm gonna see if the irons are detectable. So they're not detectable. Now I'm gonna put this coin under this same iron pieces and cover it. So the coin is completely, totally covered with iron, and let's see what happens. We have coins there. Okay, just gonna get one iron to show if we have iron rejection working. That's iron. So I'm gonna take out the coin now. Now I'm gonna repeat exactly the same setup. First I'm putting down the irons Now I'm going to repeat the same set of testing. Now it's only the iron, the coin is in my hand. Now I'm gonna put the coin under the iron. Again. This is only iron here, and this is hammered coin, small hammered coin under the iron. Edward III hammered penny, completely covered with iron. Okay, next test that I'm going to perform is with a smaller coin, the hammered farthing, only 10mm coin, also under iron. Obviously less iron because this coin is much smaller. Okay, so there is no sound from the iron, and here is the hammered farthing. And we put this rusty blade on top of it. Iron. So let's put some big nail here. This nail is way too big for this kind of test, but it doesn't matter. Need to see anything. I'm going to apply some more iron rejection now. Okay, this nail is rejected, but so is the coin under the iron, because this nail is enormous in size. Let's see now if we can pick up the coin next to iron. With this massive nail being rejected, let's see now if we can get next to this big nail a hammered gold coin the same size like Edward III. Maybe we can, maybe we cannot. Let's see. Now we remove the coin. Now I'm gonna put the hammered silver coin there, see what happens. Okay, I'm going to attempt a little bit more heavy test. The coin next to the nail in middle position. Okay, this test is pretty extreme, I would say. Now I'm going to put this coin in between two rusty pieces of iron. But let me see first if the two irons will give any sound. Well, they don't. Hammered silver Edward III in between two considerably large pieces of iron. Now I'm gonna put this one on top. Let's see what happens. Iron there, nothing. Coin sounds. Let's put this one on top too in a cross. Iron piece, nothing. Oop, I kicked the test to pieces by accident. Okay. Let's put this piece closer to see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's put another piece of iron on the other side to see what's gonna happen. Well, another one, just somewhere. Now, I'm going to try similar experiments with the hammered gold coin that is the same size as the Edward III. So let's start first with one piece of iron, let's say this, and I'm going to leave this iron here for a reference that we are working in iron rejection mode. Okay, now the other iron on cross on top, see what happens. For the gold coin is too much. Gold is more difficult to detect. Let's try the gold coin between the two pieces of iron. I'm going to overlap it a little bit with one of the irons. Some more iron. A reference point. And this iron here too. Difficult, but it's still detectable if one can go slower. Okay, take away one iron. It gets better. Let's see how it does with this iron and this iron. And let's put this iron here. And let's put this iron here. Thank you very much for watching.